Yes, now you can see this was the entryway that I had on my community tab. Hello and welcome to my channel again. Well, as my retirement home building in Liberia, I'm just going to show you some part of the house that I have done, and I'm still working on a lot of it, and but I am going to show you what I have done to a certain part of the house right now, and then coming other videos I'm going to show you the rest of the house. I'm still trying to finish up fast and quick because I need to go to Liberia, and I need to move back to Liberia. I'm doing early retirement, and I'm going to make a video and tell you all about that. And I think it's time for me to go and move back home. I've been here for 30 or 40 something years now. It's time to go home. I just want to relax. I don't want to work. I don't want to do anything. I just want to relax and enjoy my retirement. I have worked so hard for this. Anyway, watch the video, and please don't forget to subscribe. Please don't forget to give me the thumbs up. Please don't forget to do anything. Just keep doing things. Please. Let's watch the video, and you're going to see a certain part of the house. I think I've done a lot. There goes the video. Boom. You think shaking too much? Okay. All right, this is the entryway coming into the house, and that's the light over there. And from the entryway, you go into the half bath, which is right here. We're not finished yet. We're going to put a mirror over there and put some stuff in here. So that's the half bath. We're still working on things to do. From the half bath, you come into the bar. This is the bar here. And I have my wine racks over here. And we're still working. See, there's a lot of work to be done. And this is the bar. All right. From the bar, we come back out to the entryway, and then we return, and this is the living room. We're still working on it. That's the lights, everything is light is on, and we're going to put these down here. We're going to make a shelf for the TV, so they're working on that. And then from the living room, you can turn over to the dining room. Got my dining room table, and over here the lights, we don't have no bulb in there yet, but the lights are on there. And yes, so this is the dining room. Okay, from the dining room, you go out to the hallway. You turn on your left, that goes to two of the master bedroom. You turn this way, there's one more bedroom in here. So I'm going to take you to the kitchen first, and then we're going to come back. So you come in here, they're still working on the kitchen. This is the kitchen. It's a little kitchen, but I like it. We got a refrigerator here. The kitchen cabinet is going to start building it. This is the stove and the kitchen sink. So they're gonna do the kitchen here, and we got some stuff here. So they're still working on it. From the kitchen, coming to the pantry. This is the pantry. We just got some stuff in here that I have sent. It's not set up yet. So we store stuff in the pantry. We turn from the pantry, and this is the laundry room. Got a washer dryer here. This is the combo washer dryer together, and they're going to connect that. And these are the shelves for laundry detergent and so forth. And from there, there's another half bathroom we got here. It's set up. We got some stuff stored in here, so we're gonna put a mirror over there. And then from there, we come over here to the back porch. So it's like an open area, not a back porch. So this is the back porch. Still working on it. From the back. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you all. I hope you give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. As my journey continues, there will be more video coming up, and I hope you love this video that you just watched. And my retirement building continue. It is continue. Then I say peace, much love to you all. Thank you for watching.